Hi everyone, it's Ira and welcome back to gmailfiend. For today's video, I'll be showing you how to find multiple emails from a specific or one sender. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so of course, the first thing that you'll need to do is log in to your Google account and then go to mail.google.com to access your Gmail desktop. Next is for you to find an email for a specific sender, for example, or multiple emails from a specific sender. All you have to do is just, for example, I want to find all the emails that Wakar Azim has sent me. So let's click on his latest email and then right click and then find emails from Wakar Azim. As you can see, I have only one email from him because I have deleted most of the red emails that I have in my Gmail account. Next, another option you can do is type from and then type the email address of the email sender that you want to find multiple emails from. Like for example, here I have irb3sd@gmail.com, and as you can see, you can either see all the emails or see and find the specific emails that you are looking for from that specific sender. So there you have it. That's how you find multiple emails from one sender. If you like this video, please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. Also, don't forget to check our channel for more videos like this. See you on our next video. Bye!